everyone, welcome back to Anaheim Park Tourist. Today we're going to give you a quick room tour here of our room at the Howard Johnson Anaheim Hotel. The Howard Johnson is located at 1380 South Harbor Boulevard in Anaheim. HoJo is a 12-minute walk or 6/10 of a mile to the gates of Disneyland. The Howard Johnson is rated number 9 out of 127 hotels in Anaheim. We paid for this room out of our own pocket. This is also known as HoJo, and it's a super popular hotel here in the Anaheim area. It's actually directly across the street from Disneyland. It's a very quick walk into the parks, and today we booked a 1 queen room with a bunk bed, and we're going to give you a quick tour. This room is in Building 1, which is the tallest building in the HoJo Anaheim complex. It's been recently renovated, and the room looks awesome. It is a little tight for 4 people. If you have little kids, I think it'll be just great, but we'll show you a little bit later. There's not a whole lot of room for our luggage, and there is a balcony. We chose not to have a park view this time to save a little bit of money, so we're actually facing Highway 5. There is a balcony, but it's pretty loud out there with the freeway. So far, this room looks wonderful. Can't wait to spend the night. So here is the boys' bunk bed. They're really excited to have a bunk bed. They've never slept in a bunk bed before. One thing I really like here is that both sides of the bed have a nightstand, and each side under the lamp has a regular outlet, and then the side with the clock radio has USB ports in it as well. I really like that there's an eating area in this room. Somewhere other than the bed to sit and eat is always really nice. And there are 2 chairs, but right over here there's also 2 little ottomans that kids could eat here. You could get ready here and do your makeup. It's just nice to have a lot of other seating besides just a bed. There's a nice spacious desk area. It has 3 regular outlets and 2 USBs, plus a mirror to get ready in the morning. They have a nice spacious closet here with a safe, hairdryer, ironing board, lots of hanger space. But there's this kind of a hidden door in the closet, and that goes out into the balcony. It's a little strange, but it's kind of neat too. It's like a hidden closet. So we are facing the freeway, so it's really super loud. I don't know if I'm gonna open the door, but there's a slider here to open and go out further on the balcony. So as you can tell, it's quite loud out here. But with the door shut, it's actually very quiet in the room. You can't even tell that you're right next to the freeway. We've stayed at the HoJo a couple times in the past, and we always love it here. We usually splurge and get a park view room, and those balconies are awesome. It's much more quiet over there. You can see the monorail go by, you can see the Matterhorn, you can see the fireworks. So on that side of Building 1, it's an awesome thing to have a balcony, just a little bit of extra space. I would say on the freeway side, it's probably not as useful, just because I don't know if you could even hear me out there. It's pretty darn loud with the freeway right there. So that's just something to think about when you're booking. If you want to splurge the extra money, it's a totally awesome view. If you want to save a little bit of money and you're not going to be in your room a whole lot, you might want to reconsider. The great thing about the HoJo is they have a microwave, coffee maker, and mini fridge in all of their rooms. It makes such a difference for us when we come down here because we pre-made all of our breakfast sandwiches, and it saves us so much money, at least $100 on breakfast alone, because there's a microwave in the room where we can warm up our breakfast. Here's our messy luggage area. It is pretty spacious. I think you could probably fit a stroller here as well if need be. And I always like when they include a lot of mirrors in the room because it just gives you an extra area to get ready in. So like I said, in this building, the rooms have been recently renovated, and this bathroom is super nice. I really love all the finishing touches in here. And the cutest thing is you get a little rubber ducky to take home with you. So there's 1 sink. The mirror is awesome with the lighting in it, and the shower looks amazing. Shower head's nice and tall. The tile is nice and clean and bright white. No mold that I see anywhere. It looks super clean. They also provide Paya shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in the shower. This countertop is pretty tall if you have little kids, but they do provide a step stool for them underneath the sink. so if you have a little one, they can reach the sink and wash their hands. Overall, HoJo is one of our favorite places to stay in the Disneyland Resort area. The walk is super easy. When you have a view room, it's amazing. And like I said earlier, the freeway is really loud when you're on the balcony, but in the room right now with all the doors closed, it's not loud at all. And that won't be an issue if noise is a problem for you. The beds are always super comfortable here, and they have amazing pillows as well. Plus, they have 2 pool areas. They have one like splash pad area for kids with the big bucket that dumps, and then they have a regular pool that they just redid as well. They also offer free parking, which is huge in this area. Usually parking is at least $20-ish a night at most of the hotels around here, and they have a lot of parking as well. Plus, the customer service here cannot be beat. They are always so warm and welcoming here, and this is one of our favorite places. If you're looking for a place near the Disneyland Resort, definitely check out the HoJo. We were told at check-in that we could park our car here on the day we check out until 3 o'clock without an additional charge. If you want to stay after 3 o'clock, I believe he said it was $20 to stay on property. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please give us a thumbs up so we know that we're doing a good job. Thank you very much.